Hey guys, we're playing a little bit of PUBG here. It's Bounty Hunter 7574. Coming at you with this map. Haven't really played it a whole lot. Been trying to get back into PUBG, haven't played it in a while. So yeah, they have added this map. Boot camp's really popular. Try to jump there. See if I can't get that winner chicken dinner, guys. The map looks good, especially from above like this. So I'm guessing boot camp's like the school on the original map. It kind of has the same layout. Guys, I'm gonna be soon getting PS4 too, and I'm gonna be getting Ark, Fortnite, and all that on there. And I'm gonna be recording on there for you guys, better quality. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy those future vids, starting up the quality, just for you, my viewers. Whoa, shots fired? He'd be so mad if I ended him right there. I hate auto open. It says it's gonna open, but it never does. I really got an Uzi and a UMP. Really? Alright, we're gonna take that. Ooh, and that frag. Painkillers, why not? Or 5.56. Alright, I'll put that on single. And this on auto. So now reload that. Got extended mag. Loadout's not looking too bad right here. I'm not sure if I'm looking for a high kill count this game. I'm just looking to get a win. It's all that matters. I hate it when people hate on you. You got to win, but oh, say you didn't get like 10 kills. It makes me mad. You worked hard for the win. I thought I couldn't brawn for a second. That scared me. Someone is definitely near and is not happy. Don't know what I can do about that. Just wait for him, I guess. Come on, bud. There was some juicy loot in here. Well, I could have picked up some ammo still. Not a single scope, that sucks. Relying on good old iron sights. Okay, zone's gonna be okay. Screw it, guys. I'm just gonna go in, guns a-blazing, like a moron. Probably gonna die. I don't care. Great content, am I right? Or am I right? Of course I'm right. Who leaves? Oh, whoa. Not even funny. Alright, come on. Bro, I thought he was about to turn on me. Kinda scared me. It's not cool. Brought me some stuff. I appreciate this greatly. Makes my job a little bit less harder. Okay, I thought I saw someone, and that scared me. I'm probably making like the stupidest moves, and you guys in the comment section are gonna eat this up eventually. Look at me, I don't mind. Wish you would. I need some comments, bro. Am I gonna be the idiot who just presses everybody? Am I? Oh, no, I'm not gonna be that idiot. I'm gonna just be that good. That's the mindset you guys need to have. And when you die, oh well, you die. That's how I feel when I play this game. I just play, have fun, play how I want to. Okay, I scared the living mess out of. There should be a guy up here. Oh, yeah, okay. I don't know how he got me. I had a few solid hits on him. Look at him next time, guys. I had 1 kill. Very funny. Let's hop into our next match. So, Sandhawk. That's the new map. I think I said it right. I like it a lot. Let's just check what's going on in the clan. Yeah, I'm not doing training right now. Probably will off when I'm not recording. Because all they want you to practice in is in war, and I hate war. Alright. Why do you keep going over boot camp? I wonder. Should I try somewhere else? I don't want to. I think boot camp is going to be the best bet. Because his zone is like in the middle. Accessible to everything. And it's big. You just get a lot of people there. I know a lot of you are about to hate me for this comment I'm about to say. But, you know in Fortnite there's tilted towers. Boot camp's like tilted towers just in PUBG. And you don't have the mad, crazy builders that'll scare the mess out of you. So yeah, I'm just gonna end at boot camp for a few times. How long is this recording going on? 8 minutes, not too bad. Hope I ain't wasting y'all's time watching this video. If you've made it this far already, please like the video and please leave a comment below. And sub would be great. I really appreciate them. And I need to jump, don't I? I need to stop talking. But yeah, as soon as I get my new console, I'll be doing a lot more ARC videos when I get that. I don't know when that's coming in. I'll have more info on it later on. I don't know how soon. But yeah, I've been wanting to get a bunch of videos up lately. I just been busy, you know. Life's busy, and I know that's not an excuse. I shouldn't have an excuse. I should have landed on top of them things. Now I'm gonna get boned. Leave me alone. Auto open. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. He's gonna come up and try to screw me over. Yeah, he's geared. I thought I killed him. Well, dang, that was like the quickest I've ever gone out. That's not fun. I guess we'll do something else other than this then. Cause that's just not working out. I want you guys to start sending me challenges and stuff for like certain games that you see me playing. And I'll be more than happy to do them. I guess I'll go for some war. I'm sorry, bud. I'm not gonna join anyone right now. Let's see if I can get #1 in war. You like my costume, guys? Oh, really? Cut out as I show it off. Pubg, if you are watching this, I would love for y'all to, what you call it? Don't even remember though what it's called. Never mind, Pubg. So yeah, got that little circle over here. Shooting range. Ooh, haven't been over there yet. So just jump immediately. Don't worry, we're only doing 220 kilometers an hour. My skin shit is not falling off, no big deal. It's just skin. No worries. I'll be fine. Oh, oh, wow. Not cool. Everyone's got car 98s. Oh, and I missed that. Everyone has a car 98. This isn't even funny. And game noise is gonna cut out now. Maybe it'll come back in a second. Is that guy in the zone? What the crap? No, he's not. I'm landing back here. Does he not know? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that should have been a down. Oh. Maybe I'll get lucky and get the car 98 again. I don't know. I don't think it's like the best thing for war. I think it's better for regular gameplay. Where did that drop go? Right here. So this is where I shall. Oh, really? I'm gonna have to fight you two. Okay, so apparently, like, nothing I can get it other than the car 98. Legitimately. Oh, that would have been cool. Oh my gosh. Is that the same guy who killed me before? Guys, don't be hating on me in the comments, please. Please don't call me trash. Even though I am. I guess I might as well go to the middle and just, like, try to snipe, because everyone seems to be on the outside edge. Maybe. There's, like, no cover over here. What am I doing? What have I done? Snipe. That was way too high. Please don't hate me for that snipe right there. Stop moving. Freaking turd. And yeah. Oh, what? Yeah, grenade is a great idea. That is how you get a grenade kill close up. Yep. Can't hit this. Run. Drop. I bet that person was so mad. They just died to a grenade they failed to hit. So So, double car 98. What? So, is there like no bullet drop or something? No. Oh, here we go. Where'd that person go? I saw him just a second ago. It's not cool. People everywhere in this tiny zone. Oh, I was about to take that kill from him. He just got penetrated by that. Oh, he's still not dead? Oh, you took my kill? I thought he was gonna keep going up. Oh, I keep... So now he is. No, so nobody decided to come in here. I need to really start upping up the snipes. You wanna stop moving, bud? Okay, someone has something other than a car 98. No way. No way. Double car 98. No way. Both of them? Grenade. Did you make out with the goodies? There were none? That's a lie. Sitting pretty on ammo. Give me a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Had to do something real quick. So we came in 8th. Not bad. 3 kills. We'll do it again. And hopefully not get interrupted this time. So yeah, when I get ARC on PS4, I'm gonna go through all the settings I apply to it. I know I'm gonna add insane XP multiplier. Me and my brother are gonna be playing mainly. I'm gonna make it where I can tame dinos very fast, because that's one of my things I hate about ARC. It takes forever to tame, takes forever to hatch, takes forever to raise. Now, I don't mind resource gathering as much, but it's not fun, so I don't know. I'll just add some crazy settings, and I'll share with you guys. That'll probably be like my first video on PS4, or on ARC PS4, with some gameplay. Alright, jump immediately. Okay, we all got vectors. Great. Only my favorite gun. Just kidding, I hate the vector. Can I land on top of that silo? Can I? Can I really? Oh, that guy had the same idea. Did he actually make it though? People are already dying. Move that out of the way. Just hearing gunshots. Scary, bro. Take everything. Oh. Do I want them grenades? Yeah, I want them grenades. I want to get inside. I see too many people. Maybe I get upstairs, maybe. If at all possible. I've never been here. What gun did you have, my dude? I honestly want it. Okay, let's see if we can't land on the dome this time. Wouldn't it be cool if we landed here in a supply drop, or not supply drop, whatever them things are called, right on top of us? Oh, hurry up. I gotta hurry up and get this kill right here. No, you ain't shooting me, dog. So afraid. Oh, maybe in the future I'll play a lot more aggressively. Oh, I want to know, can I land on top of that crane? I'll try it if I die again. So there's a lot of commotion going on over there. Oh, tag. The crap. When? I'm so confused. Where are you at, brother? That kinda hurt. Oh, wow. That was pretty good. Alright, aggressive mode. It's about to happen. Let's go, guys. Gotta land in the middle of all the action. Oh! Ooh, wait. You reckon anyone went for that supply drop? Yeah, probably only half of the people playing. No biggie. Only like the newbiest player is going for it. I swear I used to be good at this game, and then my talent died. I swear I wasn't lying, I was actually good. Okay. That hurts. Okay. Cancel. Get boned. No, I'm about to get screwed. Somebody's about to pressure me. Maybe not. Maybe. Yeah. That was great. That was very well planned out. Props to that guy. Yep, hi, how are you? Mr. Hitler. It's not a great name. Probably should not be showing that. Just ignore that. If you would. I think after this match, I think that'll do it for my video today. Or tonight. It's nighttime for me. But yeah, I think this will be my last match for this vid tonight. Okay, I'm coming over here. I'm land right on the edge of the map. Or can I land in a tree? I know this is not Fortnite. But am I that stupid? Maybe. Okay, so suppressed fire is coming from over here. Okay, that only hurts. How did you shoot me over a rock? Well, yeah. I'm number 7. It's not going very well. And is it true that I'm just a bad PUBG player? Is it really true? Or they just all have aimbots? I'm just kidding, guys. I did stop playing for a while. Got a new phone. Couldn't remember account name, so stuck with this. So yeah, if you look at my stats right now, just lasered that guy. I almost got lasered myself. Yep, lasered. Where did you come from? She banged 96. Just had to throw her 2 cents in, didn't she? Number 6 out of 20. That's not terrible. I would have liked to have done better. The game's about to be won. I get like 1 more kill and it's over. All that matters is I had fun. Not really, guys. I'm just depressed now. Can you not land up there? I'm so disappointed in my life decisions right now. Why would I ever choose to land in this big empty thing? I want superpowers. Where's the radiation? Where is it? I need my rads, says every Fallout player. Just kidding. Yeah, I used to play Fallout, guys. Okay, so there's a guy all the way down there. Really? I have not moved once. Okay, you know what? You're really starting to make me mad. Maybe waste. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, yeah, you're gonna die. I want your gun. I got number 7. Dang it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I sort of enjoyed this, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video I do. Don't know when that'll be. I am gonna soon try to start working on schedules for recordings, when things are gonna go up and what days. So I know you guys haven't been hearing from me a lot. I'm sorry about that, but it is what it is. I'm trying to get my stuff straight, and please subscribe if you made it this far, and you should definitely like the video if you made it all the way to the end. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.